Jay and I are going to show you around some kitchens now and talk you through the ideas and thoughts behind them. And remember, whatever your style, B&Q have got a huge range to choose from.
Well, here we have an absolutely beautiful quality kitchen with one foot in the past and one foot in the future. We've got the lovely butler sink and this classical chrome mixer tap. But what brings it all up to date is this quartz countertop with this lovely square edge detail.
I like the detail as well of the copper tiles. It sort of tones in with the whole palette.
Yeah, and they've got that lovely metallic finish to them as well.
My favourite, though, in here, I do like a big island. This one is a big island. I mean, you've got this fantastic range cooker. It's such a sociable feel to it if you're entertaining. It's my kind of style, this. I do like it.
And what have we got over in the corner here, Sian?
Oh, another favourite. Big larder cabinets. You can see everything. You know, everything's so easy to get to, no hiding it away. Big fan of those.
No reaching into the back of the cupboards either to get stuff.
Is that what you do in your kitchen?
Ah, it is indeed.
I like this kitchen as well because it's so super stylish. Everything's been thought out, from the colour of the units to the worktop to the tiles.
And it's where your mood board really comes into effect. If you get those colours right at the beginning by kind of matching it on your mood board, you're off to a winning start.
Absolutely.
So this is a really great family kitchen made from solid timber from a sustainable source. It's really hard wearing and really practical, especially if you've got children. I
think, yeah, very practical. No grubby finger marks all over the doors. And another great option for families is to use a laminate surface. It's inexpensive and very, very practical. Doesn't get damaged easily. Also, keeping it simple is this wet wall. Keep everything on here: washing machine, sink, dishwasher, all in one place.
On the wet wall are all the appliances that require plumbing: your washing machine, dishwasher, sink and fridge freezer if necessary. This keeps all the plumbing in one area and allows you to design knowing that these surfaces are going to come into contact with water regularly.
We've also got the wonderful freestanding American fridge freezer. But you do need to remember that some of these do need plumbing in.
And don't forget, if you're planning an American fridge freezer, they're always a little bit deeper than your average units. So what do you think to this kitchen then, Jay?
Well, I absolutely love the contemporary feel. You know, we've got high gloss white cabinetry, and I absolutely love this split level island with breakfast bar. You know, a great place for the kids to sit. Also a great place to put your shopping down when you come in before you load up the pantry.
I'm a huge fan of this open plan living, absolutely love it.
Yeah. And what I do really love the look of is this cylindrical kind of extraction fan and flush fitting hob. You know, easy to maintain, easy to clean, and keeps that feel of space and light in here.
I'm liking, actually, the linear effect on the cabinets, both on the wall units, which open vertically like that, and especially these deep drawers.
Yeah, these are a wonderful place to store all those saucepans. And what's good about it is that you look down onto what you need. You don't have to bend down and look into the back of drawers.
Fighting your way to the back of the cabinets. What about this electronic push-button tap? Have you seen one of these before?
Aha! Look at that.
Red when the water's hot. Blue when it's cold.
Oh, I'm loving that.
Picking up the blue lights of the plinth light as well.
Very nice.
And no handles, handleless doors to sort of flow into the living room, make it look a bit more like furniture. They're quite cool.
Yep. And you know, what I do love as well about this island is the wraparound kind of worktop on down to the floor. You know, this looks like a big cube of granite, and again, just opens up the whole space.
It's more like furniture, isn't it? And when you haven't got that wall between living room and kitchen, you want the two areas to blend seamlessly into one, and it kind of achieves it.
Does it perfectly.